Hey there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. So I don't talk about things like, money and numbers and things like that very often. I really truly believe that, everyone is different, and you should enter something based on your ability to do something, not on someone else's ability to do something. So let's say, for example, if I make, X amount of dollars in something, you can't expect that you're going to make that kind of money just because I'm making that kind of money, because we are two different people with two different goals and two different work ethics, two different work schedules, two different, everything, right? This is a very individual thing. And honestly, I don't like to, make any claims or anything like that, because I don't want people to make the wrong start something for the wrong reasons, right? You want to make a decision to do something because you see the value in something, you see the potential in something, and you see how you can make it happen given the right mentorship and the right community, the right situation, and the right tools. So that is what I'm here to really share with you. But that being said, what I do want to show you is that if you were wondering if you can make, what is this whole 100% commission thing about with Builderall, and you want to see how it works, well, keep on watching, because I've already made my first few sales. I've welcomed a few new members in the last few days. And I actually have numbers in my back office now after less than a week. And so I want to share with you visually how it works. And that's why I'm sharing that with you, because I'm a visual person, so it helps me to kind of see the way something works and to see the way it could work for me. So if you want to understand a little bit more about the 100% commission structure in Builderall, which is something I was confused about, then keep on watching. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with Rise Marketing Design. I really truly appreciate you that you're here watching my videos. Please go ahead and take a minute just to like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Okay, so here is the deal. What is the Builderall Compensation Plan? Well, basically the way it works is, first of all, it is a very low risk business, right? It is like low barrier of entry, only $50 a month if you're a business builder, $30 a month if you are a customer. And if you just spent a little time with the tools, you would realize that basically, how do they do it, right? How do they make money off these tools? I'm imagining that, it's like anything. You create the software once, and it's already been built, so they can be competitive with their pricing, I guess. Behind that there has to be server farms and all kinds of things, I would imagine, because you need the computer power to hold all these services. But I'll tell you, however they do it, it's pretty amazing, because the value is absolutely there, okay? So again, it's $30 if you're a customer, $50 a month if you are a business builder. Now, at one point, it was my understanding that there was a $100 setup fee. That is gone. So if you want to initiate your membership with Builderall, whether you are a customer or a business builder, it is flat out the monthly fee to start, right? So when I signed up, it was a different, I am an ambassador, and the ambassador program doesn't work anymore. But if you are a business builder, it's $50. And that is it. And then your next month billing comes in, you're using the tools, you're positioned to actually build the business, and everything's good. But what about those 100% commissions? Like, how does that actually work? So the way that it works is, so here is my back office, okay? And so far I've made $142.23 in, like, I don't know, 4 days or something like that. Not bad. I'm super happy about that. Made my money back and I'm in profit. Now, why? Why is that? That's because three people paid, 49.90. Now, of course, there must be some sort of 50 cent, 75-cent fee or something like that that is being reflected here. But the thing is, Builderall pays 100% commission on the first sale. Right? I like that because it has a cash flow component so that you can put money in your pocket right now, right? They eat it. They eat it the first month and they give it to you, okay? And then in the second billing of your client, you earn a 30% residual commission, okay? So the first month you get 100% commission. The second month, it's $30 residual, okay? So for example, the first month, let's take out my trusty calculator because y'all know I'm terrible at math. So let's go ahead and take out my calculator. All right, so at $50, right, 100% is $50. Well, it's 49 something, right? And then minus the fees. So it ends up actually being like $47.41. Okay, so 41 times 3, which is 142.23, which is what I did. Okay, so that's 3 people that signed up in the last few days. Okay, great. Now, month 2. What is this, right? So let's assume everyone is still here with us. So we're going to go 142.23 times 0.30. Okay, so the next month I'm going to go down to 42.66. No, that's not right. Is it right? Hold on, let me double check. If you are at the Builderall business level, you are making 30% residual. 50 times 0.30 equals 15. Yeah, that's right. So 15 times 3, it's about $45. Okay, so that means that you want to basically figure out, as you're getting started with Builderall, like how much will it cost you? How many people do you need? How many licenses do you need to sell, okay, in order to break even with your initial cost, right, and pay for your Builderall? Okay, so 3 people pretty much will get you into profit and keep you active at $50 a month. So 3 people should be your goal. All right, so as you commit to Builderall, you need to think, okay, like within my first week, my goal is to bring in 3 people. That way I'm in profit, right? I make my money back quickly. I make, $150. Not bad. Hey, for I mean, that to me is like I don't know, $150. Well, first of all, that covers my my get in, but $150 in like 2 or 3 days, working from home, not having to go anywhere, just being on my computer. I am very grateful for it all. I'm grateful for it all, for every last little dollar. I'm very happy for it. Okay, so that's $45 for 3 people on the Builderall business plan at 30% residual on month 2. Okay, so bring in 3 people. 3 people. Now, the cool thing is that if you align with our team, which is Team Rise, is what I named it, if you're subscribed to my channel, chances are you've seen that I am a branding consultant and I help small businesses, actually small business owners, like individual entrepreneurs, network marketers, etc. I help them with their internet marketing. I help them set up their internet marketing stuff, right? That's what I do on a daily basis. That's what I do outside of Builderall, right? So I was like, well, how can I, get into a group coaching kind of situation without having to actually create my own program, right? And I want you to think about this yourself, right? Right now, if you're watching this video, you're an agency maybe, or you are doing this for other people already, and you're like, man, I really want more leverage. I really want to, create more passive or residual income. How do I do that? Maybe I should start my own coaching program, etc. Well, that's exactly what I said. I want to really start a group coaching program, but I don't want to have to, be responsible for billing people and tracking everything and all that stuff. Is there something I can align with so that I can teach a group of people what I already do for my clients day in and day out, right? How can I do that without the responsibility of all the other moving parts to add to my business? And that's when Builderall came across my path, and I was like, this is my solution. I, as a branding and attraction marketing consultant, okay, someone who helps people launch their businesses online, someone who helps people build funnels day in, day out. I understand technology. I do copywriting, okay? When you sign up with our team, guess what? You reap the benefit of all those rewards, because that's what I'm teaching my people how to do. And we're going to have group coaching once a month. And that group coaching is going to focus on both building the Builderall business and building whatever business you are trying to build with the Builderall tools. So it's a win-win for everyone. I reap the rewards of, having like a coaching program that I can guide people through without the pain of having to create my own, accounting around it and all these things. I'm not responsible for extra moving parts of my business, right? Sign up for Builderall, get free, group coaching once a month, right? And inside of our team group, I'm going to give you copy. I'm going to give you share funnels. I'm going to give you, sample social media posts. I'm going to write it up because I'm a copywriter. So take that into consideration as you're really considering if you want to, align with Builderall and the business. Okay. So anyway, that's it, guys. I just wanted you to see how the 100% commission works. You get 100% commission on the very first sale, not the first person. It's the first sale of any person. Okay. So any of your front line people that you sponsor yourself, that you bring into the business yourself, or the customer, you make $30 100% if it's a customer. Okay. So that first sale of that person is yours. And then month 2, it's 30% residual commission. And then you also get the 2 tier. So if you build it, you bring in a business person and they sign up people, there's also a secondary, I think it's like 20%. It might be 30% too. I'm not 100% sure on that. If I clarify that, then I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. But for sure, based on your own efforts, which is really what you should be looking at. Everything else is icing on the cake. You know what I mean? You should be focusing on, setting a goal on how many licenses you want to sell. What is your, monthly, like your financial alleviation number, right? And that's what I call it. Instead of like, oh yeah, go for 6 figures. You want to make 6 figures fast? No. What is your financial alleviation number? Your financial alleviation number to give you that breathing space may be $1,000. It may be $2,000. Okay. So you come in, you calculate whatever it is that you want to make, what you see yourself making, and then the first goal you have to have out of the gate is to bring 3 people to cover your expenses and get you into profit. That is it. And everything else after that is cake. Okay? All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. This has been Barbie Figueroa. I really, truly appreciate that you are watching this video. If you have not started your 7-day free trial inside of Builderall, you want to play with the tools, I'll have the links below in the description box. Also, if you want to learn more about, aligning with our with Team Rise, right, inside of Builderall, just go ahead and watch my video below. I've linked it in the description, and you can learn more about the actual business. All the links will be below. And if really you need to contact me and ask me a question, go ahead and contact me. I don't bite, okay? You can go ahead and visit my website at www.risemarketinganddesign.com and send me a message right through here. Okay? Okay, guys. Well, have a wonderful, fun, amazing, beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.